Hello guys, welcome back. This is Bharat and today I'll be showing you how to bleed out the old brake fluid and replace with the new one completely. So let's get it started. If you feel your bike system is kind of spongy, then it's probably because that air would have swept into your brake fluid system and it's compressing with the liquid. So all you have to do is bleed out the brake fluid and remove the air bubbles inside the brake fluid. To bleed out the old brake fluid, all you need is these three things: the ring spanner with 10 mm size and star screwdriver with brake fluid, and also this retainer, which in this case I have done it by myself. First, make sure that you place a wet cloth around the brake fluid reservoir and also keep some space for pumping the brake lever. You have to do this because if in case the brake fluid spills on the painted surface, it damages the paint. Now with the star screwdriver, remove the reservoir cap. Place the ring spanner at the outlet of the caliper and attach the retainer with the pipe. First, loose the outlet nut near the caliper and then pump the brake lever 2-3 times so that the brake system is having some pressure, and then you can see the brake fluid coming out in the retainer. To speed up the process, I created vacuum in the retainer by sucking the air in it. You can see the fluid entering the retainer by the vacuum pressure. Remove the brake fluid level window by removing the circlip and clean the brake fluid reservoir neatly. You can see the amount of dust collected at the window. This is why probably I was not able to see the brake fluid level. After cleaning the reservoir, insert the brake fluid level window and lock it with the circlip. Make double sure that your reservoir is clean and start filling the brake fluid. Pump the brake fluid system 2-3 times before you release the valve, that is the outlet. Now by applying the pressure, release the valve slowly and immediately close it, and then release the pressure applied at the brake. Repeat this cycle until you see no air bubbles coming out of the outlet pipe, as in this video. When you feel that the brake is stiff, you can just close the reservoir by cleaning it and applying some WD-40 oil on the screw and tightening it up. And finally, clean the outer side of the reservoir with the wet cloth. The step remains same for the rear brake system too. This is the reservoir as in the front brake system, and this is the two screws on top of the reservoir cap. Now let's see the brake lever. This is the brake lever. It comes in the foot, right foot to be specific, and that's where you pump the fluid, and this is the outlet. You need to attach the retainer to this outlet. And that's it for today guys. Hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.